Hey you guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a best of beauty video for 2017. I'm a bit late on this video. I actually wanted to get it up like at the top of the year, but better late than never, right? I'm gonna just go ahead and jump right in. Hopefully this video won't be too long, and I will be splitting it up into skincare and makeup. I have a good amount of skincare and makeup, so let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so first up for skincare, you guys will kind of see some stuff that you guys have been like, Kyra, I haven't seen you use this yet. And I know I posted a skincare routine video on my channel, but it's kind of old, and honestly, like maybe a month after I recorded that video, I actually changed up my whole entire routine. And these products that I'm about to show you guys have been my holy grails. Okay, so first and foremost, I mentioned to you guys in a favorites video a while back that I had been using jojoba oil to pre-cleanse. And this has definitely been a best of beauty for me because I discovered it this year. And also my skin, although I am oily, my skin had actually been on the drier side. And so this, y'all, saved my skin. So what I do is I actually pre-cleanse with this first. So I just take a little bit in my hand, rub it around my skin, kind of my skin real nice and moisturized, and then rinse it off, and then go in with my cleanser. Jojoba oil is actually a natural moisturizer, it's moisturizing oil. So this is really good if you have dry skin, whether it be your face, your body, or wherever. This is great. And then after I do the jojoba oil, depending on the time of day, I'll just go in with my cleanser. You guys, I have been absolutely loving the, I believe it's CeraVe line. I use both the hydrating one and the foaming facial cleanser. Y'all, these cleansers are so bomb. I use the hydrating cleanser in the morning, which is this one, and this one actually comes out more of like a lotion. Honestly, it's a lot more milky. And this one right here is the foaming one, and I use this one at night. I like the foaming one at night because I can really, it's a gel consistency, and honestly I feel like it just makes my skin super clean. This one makes my skin super moisturized, so I just kind of be moisturized in the morning and then like super clean at night, if that makes sense. And then every other day, or about 2 to 3 times a week, I'll go in with the micro exfoliant. And I have been loving the Philosophy micro delivery exfoliating facial wash. I just use this in the morning, kind of just give my skin, you know, a fresh wash and, you know, cleanse. I love this one. I literally feel like it's working. It's a daily facial cleanser that can be used as a 30-second mini peel in the shower, bath, or your bathroom sink, and it's formulated with invigorating, refreshing scent and micro exfoliating beads. Okay, so basically with this, it's like a normal facial cleanser, but in it you can feel like little micro beads. And so I just take it, rub it off my skin. I really massage it in my skin for like 30 seconds and then rinse it off. And I love it because it gives my skin like a nice, smooth, even finish. It just feels really good and really smooth, and I kind of have like a natural glow after I use it because it kind of washes away all the dead skin. And then last but not least for skincare comes my moisturizers. Okay, so you guys have heard me mention this before plenty of times, y'all. I absolutely love the Sephora Instant Moisture Plus Cream, and it has a hyaluronic acid booster. You guys, this moisturizer feels so freaking soft on your skin. It literally makes my skin feel so soft and supple and just like a baby's bottom. Like, it feels so smooth, pretty affordable. I believe like a jar of this is like 21 bucks at Sephora. I can't remember exactly how much it is, but it's pretty cheap, and a little bit goes a long way. So I can have like one of these jars last me like a good like 4 or 5 months. I just use a little bit and it covers my whole face, and it lasts me for a long time. So I love this stuff. My skin is super dry. I love the Sephora one because it's super moisturizing. Now if my skin is pretty normal, then I'll just go ahead and use the Glossier Priming Moisturizer in Rich, and it is a luxurious face cream. Now this stuff also, you guys, feels like butter. So if you were looking for a really good moisturizer, check out the Sephora one and the Glossier one, because I'm telling you, both of those along with the CeraVe and the jojoba oil have literally saved my skin. Alrighty, so now on to makeup. I'm gonna do foundation, concealer, contour, setting powder, highlight, basically the way that I do my makeup in general. So first up for brows, you guys already know what it's gonna be. It is the Benefit Brow in the shade number 5. That's the one that I use. And I can't say enough about how bomb this product is. First of all, it does not budge. at all. I always use this one whenever I want a more structured brow. Now, I don't always want a structured brow, and my second brow product that's a Best of Beauty is my L'Oreal Brow Size Definer. I'm not quite sure where it is, like I'm looking all over for it and I think I lost it, but it is definitely a Best of Beauty. The L'Oreal Brow Size Definer is definitely a perfect dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. It's amazing, and I use the shade Brunette. That one is very, very good if you want a very natural brow. Like whenever I just want to create a soft brow with, you know, natural brow strokes, I'll always reach for the L'Oreal definer. If not, if I really want like a bold pow brow, then I always reach for my Benefit Ka-Brow. Let me tell you guys, this stuff is just amazing. It's so pigmented. A little bit goes a very long way. I mean, just the way it feels in your brows, the consistency of it. I love that it's, to me, it's like the perfect combination of a pomade and a powder. Honestly, again, a little bit goes a long way. It lasts you a long time. I have had this one 6, 7, 8 months. I don't know. I think I got this towards maybe last spring. So I've had it for a while, and I'm not even close to hitting pan, y'all. So definitely check out the Ka-Brow and also the L'Oreal Brow Size Definer. Both of those are just, they're just amazing. So after brows, we have foundation. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the two that you guys already know are my favorites and my Best of Beauty. That is the Lancome Tint Idol Wear Foundation, or Tint Idol Ultra Wear Foundation. I was debating on including this, not because it's not a favorite or because it's like a Best of Beauty, only because I only wore it like the last month of last year. But it was that amazing, so I felt like I just had to include it. And you guys already know how much I love this one. I've mentioned it before in my first impressions and also in my favorite foundation collection. I just love this stuff. The coverage is amazing. It applies amazing. The consistency is literally like butter. It blends out so flawlessly. A little bit goes a long way, and the way it settles, when I say it looks like second skin, y'all, it looks like second skin. Great for oily skin. I just can't get enough of it, honestly. And then you cannot go wrong with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. This one also, I'm in the shade 390. And I love the finish of this one as well. I love that it really gives a filtered finish, like my pores are minimized. It looks like skin. It has amazing coverage. It blends out easily. So honestly, these two are definitely hands down Best in Beauty for 2017. And then moving on to another Fenty product, I have to give it up to Rihanna for the Match Stix as well. And in the contour stick, I am in the shade Truffle. And this one, you guys have seen me use it before. It is amazing. My favorite thing about it is not only the size of it and the shape of it, because it's really easy to kind of just draw it on there, like it's like a crayon basically. But I love the shape, the design of it, and I love how easily it blends out. This is such an easy blendable product that, like, if you are new to makeup and new to hiding contouring, you want to get this. That's how easy this is to work with. And now for concealer, you guys already know what I'm gonna say, and that is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Y'all, I don't know, like, this is literally heaven in a little bottle or little container, okay? If you have dark circles, if you have really deep hollows, if you have hyperpigmentation under your eyes, if you just have any kind of issues in the eye area, you want to get this, because this will cover all the sins away. I'm telling you, 100% full coverage, blends out like a dream. And honestly, I feel like I haven't had any issues with this consistency in any of my foundations. Like, it works with everything, I feel like. So this concealer, I'm in the shade Tan Sand. I won't talk about it anymore, but I love it. Okay, and then to set my highlighted areas, you guys know how much I have been loving the RCMA No Color Powder. This is definitely a Best of Beauty for me in 2017. I discovered it and instantly fell in love. Besides the fact that it's a balm powder, I still can't get over how cheap it is, y'all. This 3-ounce bottle was like 12 bucks. I have had this for at least 6 months probably, and I still have half a bottle. That could tell you how much or how far this goes, and I just can't get with it. Like, it's so bomb. It sets well, no flashback. It sets into the skin really nicely. It is truly transparent. It just looks good on everybody, on every skin tone. And it's cheap. Alright, and then for lashes, my Best of Beauty 2017 for mascara is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I mean, I don't know what else to say besides it's bomb. Like, not gonna lie. If you love like full flirty lashes, natural lashes, this is a mascara to go to. This to me is like an exact dupe for the, what is it, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. The wand is very similar, the consistency of the mascara is very similar, and it applies very, very similarly. So if you like really bold top and bottom lashes, like today you guys, I applied it on my bottom lashes, and look at that drama. Comes out very, very thick, and it literally coats and separates every lash, so you get that true dramatic, like spidery, flirty effect, and I just love it. So on the days I don't do mascara or don't do false lashes and just do mascara, my lashes still look bomb with this bad boy here. These highlighters, you guys, are amazing, and they are both drugstore, can you believe that, bomb. The first one is the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. You guys know that I have been ranting and raving about this highlighter since I got it. It is amazing. I just love this shade of gold, y'all, because I feel like this shade of gold is so versatile. You know how many highlighters I have tried that are too silvery or too gray or too cool and don't look good on brown skin? This one here I feel like looks good on everyone. I have not seen one single person that this highlighter looks bad on, okay? So definitely shout out to Maybelline for making a bomb, and I mean bomb, drugstore highlighter. And then for even cheaper than that one is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hiding Powder, and this is in the shade Crown of My Canopy. I actually love Crown of My Canopy more than I did the other one, which I believe is Petal something. But this one also I feel like is the same category with the Master Chrome, in the sense that I just love this shade of gold. This one actually has a little bit of a rose gold undertone, but again, it's not too silver, not too gray, not too cool, and looks good on every skin tone. This one was less than $5, so even cheaper than this one, okay? And this one I wore today. I have it on today, and as you can see, it is super pigmented, super vibrant, and both of these actually last all night. Alrighty, so my very last Best of Beauty for 2017 product is going to be my House of Lashes eyelash glue. I discovered this one this year, and I have not used another lash glue since. I've used Duo for years, but when I discovered this one, I instantly fell in love. And the reason why is because this one gets super tacky a lot quicker than the Duo. It gets real tacky. You just pop that lash on, and it just pops on so easily. I have learned that the key to really mastering applying false lashes is getting a good glue. So if you want a good glue to really master and get applying lashes down easily, try out the House of Lashes one. They have this one is the clear, and they also have a black one. It is amazing, and this one here actually 100% dries clear, and also it's pretty affordable. I believe this one you can get from Sephora, and they are $9 each. Alright, you guys, so that is it for my 2017 Best of Beauty video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed the products that I mentioned. If you guys liked it, first of all, give it a thumbs up, and also let me know down below what was your 2017 Best of Beauty, whether that be foundation, you know, skincare, liner, lipstick, whatever. Let me know what was your Best of Beauty. I would love to hear it, and maybe you guys can put me on some new products to try for this year. So with that being said, I'll go ahead and wrap it up and catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.